Hi everyone. I just wanted to take a minute to talk to you about what you're going to be doing for the final project for General Chemistry 2 lab. This week, you'll begin your work on the project. The project will have you assuming the roles of scientists hired by a court in order to help them make a ruling in a copyright infringement case. You will measure various properties of a solution and compare those to the values provided by the company to determine if there was any criminal acts performed. So, this week in lab, before experiment 17 is completed, you will, in place of recitation, which will not be performed, and everyone that is present for this time will receive full credit for that recitation, you will break up into groups of 4 or 5 to perform the project. The project is broken up into 4 sections where you will find the concentration of a dye by spectroscopy, a concentration of a salt by conductivity, you'll determine pH by titration, and you'll find the freezing point depression of a solution. These solutions will be assigned to you this week while you break up into your groups. After you've broken up into groups, you'll be given about 10 minutes in order to start breaking up the work. For the first week of the project, you will need to hand in a single pre-lab from all members of the team that covers each section of the project. To do this, we recommend that you break yourselves into groups, we break the work up into individuals so that each individual knows what they're responsible for. We recommend that the person that writes the pre-lab for each section is also the person responsible for performing that portion of the experiment. Additionally, we recommend that the person responsible for freezing point depression and the person responsible for titration work together, as the titration portion of the experiment can take a long time if performed alone. In this document that you'll be given in lab next week, we go over a brief series of instructions that help you line up your introduction and experimental procedure, which will be required for your pre-lab in lab the first week of the project. If you have any questions, please see your TA or a staff member at office hours, and we'll be happy to help you.